In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up rule to delete emails in Outlook. If your inbox is getting cluttered, a rule that automatically deletes unwanted messages can save you a lot of time. I'll show you how to do this in the new Outlook for Windows and Outlook on the web, and then in Classic Outlook, so you can follow along with whichever version you're using. Let's start with the new Outlook for Windows or Outlook on the web. Open Outlook and click the Settings gear at the top. In the panel that opens, select Mail, then choose Rules, and click Add New Rule. Give your rule a clear name so you'll recognize it later. Next, add a condition. A common one is from, which targets messages from a specific sender. Choose that via Add Condition and type the address you want to target. Now add an action via Add Action, and select Delete. This tells Outlook to move matching emails straight to deleted items as soon as they arrive. If needed, you can add exceptions, for example, if the subject contains a keyword you want to keep. You can also choose Stop Processing More Rules to make sure this rule takes priority and prevents other rules from acting on the same message. When everything looks right, click Save. There's also a quick way to target a sender you can see in your inbox. Right-click an email, select Rules, then Create Rule. This opens a streamlined setup that pre-fills the sender information, making it faster to build the same rule without hunting through settings. Now, for Classic Outlook on Windows. Go to File, then Manage Rules Alerts, and click New Rule. Choose Apply Rule on Messages I Received to build a rule for incoming mail. Set your conditions again. From is the most common when you want to delete messages from a specific sender. When you get to the actions, select Delete It, then Finish to create the rule. If you want to clean up your current inbox right away, check Run this new rule now on messages already in inbox, and click OK. Outlook will apply the rule immediately to existing messages that match. That's it, your rule is set. Thanks for watching.